ever pondered how your body moves so effortlessly? How you're able to dance, lift weights, or simply wave hello to a friend? Today, we dive into the fascinating world of body movements, breaking down the complexities into simple, understandable elements. There exist three major types of body movements. These are flexion and extension, adduction and abduction, and rotation. Each of these movements is unique and plays a crucial role in our everyday activities. Firstly, flexion and extension. Imagine bending your arm at the elbow or straightening your leg. That's flexion and extension in action. Flexion reduces the angle between two body parts, while extension increases it. This movement type is essential in activities like squatting, running, or even typing on a keyboard. Next, we have adduction and abduction. Picture yourself spreading your fingers wide or pulling them back together. That's adduction and abduction. Adduction brings a limb closer to the body's midline, while abduction takes it away. These movements are crucial in activities like swimming, clapping, or even in spreading butter on your toast. Lastly, rotation. Think about turning your head to look over your shoulder or twisting your waist. That's rotation. It involves moving a body part around its axis. It's a central part of activities like golfing, dancing, or simply shaking your head. In summary, understanding body movements is more than just knowing the terminology. It's about appreciating the intricacies of our bodies and how they enable us to perform a wide range of activities. Flexion and extension allow us to change the angle between two body parts. Adduction and abduction enable us to move our limbs closer to or away from our body's midline. Lastly, rotation lets us move a body part around its axis. So, the next time you're lifting weights at the gym, dancing at a party, or simply waving to a friend, remember the complex mechanisms at play. From flexion and extension to adduction and abduction and rotation, your body is a marvel of movement. And now you know a bit more about how it all works.